Hello, my name is Julieta Teortua and my group is 11 and this is my exposition for my future. Okay. And after the graduation, what I do, and after I graduating, I want to rest during my vacations and until the university semester begin. And what is my career? What I study? Okay, I study lawyer, and I want to study to be a lawyer because I feel that my sense of life is I meant to doing social work for the justice of people, and I would like to practice to seek common good and contribute to the society. And this is my first one concept of this career and why I love this. Okay, the next is what I do in 5 years in my future, and this is pictures define my future in 5 years. And in 5 years, I see myself graduated from my university career and being to practice it. I will. I continue studying a specialization for my career and with a healthy habits for my life and traveling and the very important is with a good physical and mental health and the being happy. This is the most important in my life, in my project of life. And this is the end for my exposition for my future. And thank you very much for your attention. And bye.